Here's the integrated 3. It's problem 1-15. Brianna says she can draw different functions that have the same x-intercept and the same domain and range. Her teammates say, no, that's impossible, but Brianna insists it is possible. We just need to sketch the graphs. Letter A says, what if the x-intercepts are -5, 2, and 6, and the domain is x is in between -5 and 7? The range is y is in between -4 and 10. Is there more than one possible function? Give examples. So, let's see. Well, I'm going to look at my domain and my range, so, and my intercept. So I got one at -5, and I've got one at 2, and I've got one at 6. Those are my intercepts. I just grabbed them from there. And then x's are in between -5 and 7, so that's -5 already. That's 6, so I'm going to make one more line for 7. And then the y, the domain, is in between -4 and 10. There we go. And so I'm supposed to make a function. So it has to go through this point, and this point. It has to have a high point that's at least as high as 10. It doesn't have to be on the axis, but so it can go like this, and not be on the axis if I want. It has to hit this, and it has to, its lowest point has to be even with this 4, so it can maybe go down like that. It has to go through here, and then it has to end. Its rightmost endpoint has to be at 7. That's 7 right there. So maybe have it continue up and just end. So that works. And that you can see that looks a lot like what they drew. Can you make another one, though? Sure. Because it says, give examples or is there more than one function? Sure. This time I'm going to go the other way. It just has to have a low point here, so there's nothing that says it can't go this way. And then maybe it goes up here, and then maybe it can come down here. It has to hit that and go like that. Right? It can go, I mean, there's an endless amount of ways that you could draw this. I hope that's not too confusing, but that is the answer. Let's look at the next one. It says, letter B says, well, I'm going to use this as my axis. Letter B says, what if the x-intercepts are -4 and +2? And the domain is all the real numbers. Domain is all the real numbers, so it's going to have arrows. It's going to go off to the right and the left. And the range is y has to be greater than -8. Okay, so as long as, I mean, it can go any way I want. I'm going to maybe have it go just to make it interesting. It has to have a low point here, though. And it can even go crazy. It can go like this if it wants. Just for fun. Just so long as it hits those two intercepts. And it has a low point at -8. And it goes up and up and up. This one you can tell it's going ever so slightly up. It's rising up and up and up forever and ever. And it goes out to the right and left forever and ever because it said all real numbers. Is there another one that I could do? Sure. I'm going to use this blue pen. I can just make another one that goes, I'm going to make it interesting. I have to hit that. I have to hit my low point. That still works, I think, because the range, oh wait, no it doesn't. It has to curl up a little bit. It's okay. There we go. So its lowest points are still at -8, right? It's just got a little curl in it. Its highest points are infinitely high, right? Oh, and then its domain is all real numbers, and it still hits the intercepts. So that's an interesting concept, and that's kind of what we were talking about in our last class.